in New Zealand, I'm an actor's agent, or I was, and I used to have Tom Cruise's body double on my books. And Tom Cruise's body double had to come round to my house. And so I'm in my house. I know that this kid is coming. I know that it's not Tom Cruise. I know that it's just a kid that's coming who looks like Tom Cruise, because obviously he's Tom Cruise's body double and he's going to get registered with my agency. Tom Cruise's body double turns up at the house and I'm like, oh my fucking God, it's Tom Cruise. I know it's not Tom Cruise, but it's like, oh my God, it's Tom Cruise. And he's getting out of his car. I'm like, oh my God, it looks like Tom Cruise. But it's not Tom Cruise. It's just Tom Cruise's body double. Anyway, he comes in. I sign him up. I get him a job on The Last Samurai, which is a movie set in New Zealand that stars Tom Cruise. So Sam was his name, and Sam was Tom's body double, and on that particular movie. And when Sam was sitting with Tom Cruise, apparently Tom Cruise said to Sam, who's your agent? Sam said, Sarah Valentine. And Tom Cruise said, I've heard of her. I've heard she's really good. I thought that was fucking ace. I just love that.